let's look at this integration. It says we should find the integral of 3x to the 4th times x to the 5th plus 15 to the power of 6 dx. We're going to need to use some substitution here. Now, we can either substitute 3x to the 4th for u, or could be x to the 4th for u, so that we have 3u. But when we differentiate x to the 4th, we get x cubed, and we need to find some x cubed, some other x cubed to cancel it. What I'm saying is, suppose you make u equal, alright, say 3x to the 4th. Then you find du by dx. It would be 4 3's 12 x cubed. And then when we put the x cubed in there, we should find some other x cubed to cancel it, because we're going to transpose for dx, and we get dx would be du over 12x cubed. And there's no x cubed here to be cancelled by this x cubed. Right? Another thing we could look at is if we use u equal x to the 4th, doing it without the 3, then du by dx would be 4x cubed. And then dx now, which is here, dx would be equal to du over 4x cubed. And we need this 4x cubed to cancel some other 4x cubed, but we don't see it there. So we need to use some other substitution. Suppose we make the substitution, let u be equal to x to the 5th power plus 15. What we'll be doing here is to make 3x to the 4th times u to the 6th. You see that? And then what would du by dx be? Du by dx would be just 5x to the 4th. So that dx now would be du over 5x to the 4th. Alright, look at this. When we put this there for dx, we're going to have this x to the 4th be cancelled by this x to the 4th. So we're on our way now. Alright? Good. We're on our way. So let's continue down here. What we have is the integral of 3x to the 4th, x to the 5th plus 15, which is u, and that is to the power of 6, times dx. But dx, we want to get rid of the x's and change the dx to du. Dx is du over 5x to the 4th. So we write du over 5x to the 4th. You see what happened there? So here now, this can be written as we can put the, alright, let's keep the numbers there. 3x to the 4th, u to the 6th, du, what is being divided by 5x to the 4th. So let's put all of this over 5x to the 4th. This what happened now. X to the 4th cancels x to the 4th. Ah, there it is. So what we have is the integral of 3/5 u to the 6th du. Same thing as 3/5 outside the integral sign. 3/5 integral of u to the 6th du. Alright. So when you integrate u to the 6th du, what you get is this. You have 3/5 u to the 7 over 7 plus c. Alright? So there we go with that. So what we have then is, what was u again? U was x to the 5 plus 15. So we have 3/5 x to the 5 plus 15, and that is raised to the power of 7 over 7. So the answer now, let's just write the answer under here. When we multiply the denominators, we get 3 over 35 x to the 5th plus 15 to the power of 7 plus c. So that's the integral that we're looking for.